Welcome to this MyRobot.cloud tutorial. Today, we're going to look at how to manage accounts. This is where you'll find all of your different customers and their specific projects. To get started, click View All. You'll notice that we use two different types of accounts, lead accounts and customer accounts. Lead accounts are for projects you are currently working on or hope to win. Think of this as your internal development space. Customer accounts are for existing clients and installations you've already completed. We keep lead and customer accounts separate so you have a private space for your internal work and a professional, shared space for your clients. To create a new lead, click New. Enter the customer's name and address. You can even automatically pull in their branding by clicking Find Logo and entering their website URL. Once you hit Save, your new lead account is ready to go. During the sales process, you'll likely add products, create patterns, and run simulations to verify that your solution is the perfect fit for the customer's needs. Once the sales meetings are over and the customer is ready for the installation, it's time to convert that lead into a proper customer account. To do this, click Convert Type and hit Next. There are three main steps to this process. First, choose which members of your own team should be part of this customer organization. I'll add my colleague to the team so they can provide support. Second, choose which content you want to clone from the lead account to the new customer account. If you want to bring everything over, including products, patterns, and configurations, simply select them all and click Confirm. Third, you can invite the customer to the organization. To invite your customer, open the side menu, go to Members, and enter their email address. You can also set their specific access privileges here. The customer will receive an email from MyRobot.cloud with a link to sign up. Once they join, they can manage their own products and patterns, allowing them to be fully self-sufficient. That's it for our overview of accounts. Thanks for watching.